This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at problem 8, and it says the fraction 7/8 is equivalent to what percent? Round to the nearest percent. So you can use your handout that was given in class, the formula sheet for percents, and you have an example of this at the top of the page. You have a fraction, 7/8, and a fraction is always the top number 7 divided by the bottom 8, and that gives you a decimal number on the calculator, 0.875. And when you're changing a decimal number to a percent, you multiply by 100 and you have 87.5%. Now in this problem it says round to the nearest percent, which is the ones place here where the 7 is. That's where we want to round, and so we always look at the digit to the right. In this case it's 5 or greater, which means the 7 has to go up to an 8, and rounded to the nearest percent we have 88%.